Thank you for being here. This is the final video in this 10-part informative series on fruits. I left the number one most consumed fruit in the world, tomatoes, to close out this series. Did you know that they are technically classified as a fruit and not a vegetable? And here's an interesting fact. The largest tomato ever recorded weighed over 7 pounds. I've been eating tomatoes all my life and never knew why. Comment below and let me know your thoughts on why you eat tomatoes. Whether it's making my sandwiches soggy or added to my salad, I never thought much of it. However, you will realize how powerful this fruit really is for your health. Let's investigate where it came from, the varieties, uses of tomatoes, health benefits, and can we grow them at home. Our journey with tomatoes takes us back to the rich soil of South America, where ancient civilizations like the Aztecs cultivated this red fruit. Tomatoes, revered for their succulent taste and nutritional richness, became symbols of abundance and culinary excellence. As time progressed, tomatoes traveled across borders to multiple continents across the world. Today, tomatoes have become a global sensation, with China as the world's top producer of tomatoes, followed by India, then the United States. Tomatoes aren't a monolithic fruit. They come in multiple varieties, each offering a unique taste, texture, and culinary uses. Let's explore 3 noteworthy types. The beefsteak tomato, known for its substantial size and juicy meaty texture, is perfect for slicing and elevating sandwiches or salads. Beefsteak tomatoes are among the largest varieties of tomatoes, often weighing up to a pound or more. They typically have irregular and somewhat flattened shapes, resembling beefsteak's cuts, hence their name. When ripe, beefsteak tomatoes boast a vibrant red hue. However, some varieties may exhibit shades of pink, orange, or yellow depending on their specific variety. Next, we have Roma tomatoes, also known as plum tomatoes, are a specific variety of tomatoes prized for their firm texture, low moisture content, and a rich flavor. Roma tomatoes are generally smaller and elongated compared to other tomato varieties. They typically have an oblong or cylindrical shape with a pointed tip resembling a small plum. When ripe, Roma tomatoes boast a deep red hue. However, they may also have shades of orange or yellow when fully matured, depending on the specific variety. One of the key features of Roma tomatoes is their dense and meaty texture. They have relatively few seeds and minimal internal pulp, making them ideal for sauces, soups, and canning. Roma tomatoes are known for their intense sweet tart flavor with slightly acidic undertones. Their concentrated flavor profile makes them well suited for cooking as they add depth and richness to dishes. Lastly, cherry tomatoes are small, bite-sized tomatoes known for their sweet flavor, vibrant color, and versatile culinary uses. Cherry tomatoes are petite and round, typically about the size of a cherry or slightly larger. They have a smooth and glossy skin with a plump, spherical shape. These tomatoes come in a range of colors including red, yellow, orange, and even purple. Each variety offers a distinct hue, adding visual interest to dishes. Cherry tomatoes have a thin, delicate skin and juicy flesh. Despite their small size, they pack a burst of flavor with each bite, offering a pleasing combination of sweetness and acidity. One of the most appealing qualities of cherry tomatoes is their naturally sweet flavor. They have a higher sugar content compared to the larger tomato varieties, making them a delightful addition to salads, snacks, and appetizers. Tomatoes are incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide range of culinary applications. Here are some of the common uses of tomatoes. One of the most popular uses for tomatoes is to enjoy them fresh in salads and salsas. Tomatoes add vibrant color, juicy texture, and a refreshing flavor to salads, making them a staple ingredient in dishes like caprese salad, Greek salad, and Cobb salads. Sliced tomatoes can also be tossed with basil, mozzarella, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar for a simple yet delicious caprese salad. Additionally, diced tomatoes are commonly used in salsas, adding a burst of freshness and acidity to complement dishes like tacos, nachos, and in seasoning many other dishes. Tomatoes are also a key ingredient in many pasta sauces and dishes such as marinara sauce, bolognese sauce, and puttanesca sauce. By cooking tomatoes down in a rich, flavorful sauce, their natural sweetness and acidity are intensified, creating a delicious base for pasta, pizza, lasagna, and more. Additionally, sun-dried tomatoes can be used to add depth of flavor to pasta dishes, salads, and sandwiches, providing a concentrated burst of tomato flavor. Lastly, tomatoes are commonly canned and preserved to enjoy their delicious flavor year-round. Whether whole, diced, crushed, or pureed, canned tomatoes are a pantry staple used in soups, stews, sauces, and chili. Homemade tomato sauces and jams can also be canned to preserve the harvest and enjoy homemade goodness throughout the season. Additionally, tomatoes can be dried or roasted and stored in olive oil to create flavorful condiments and toppings for pizza, bruschetta, and antipasta platters. But tomatoes are not just about taste. They're also brimming with essential nutrients. So now let's dive into the nutritional value that tomato brings to our tables. This nutrient-dense fruit offers a plethora of health benefits, and we'll explore the major vitamins present in them. Tomatoes, consisting of 95% water, contribute to their juicy and refreshing nature. Bursting with essential nutrients, these humble fruits stand as nature's gift to the body, offering a symphony of flavors and a wealth of nourishment. Let's begin with vitamin C, the hero of skin health and immune resilience. With approximately 32% of your daily recommended intake packed into a single medium-sized tomato, vitamin C becomes the body's shield against infections, a catalyst for collagen synthesis, and a guardian against cellular damage. With each juicy bite, tomato fortifies the body's defenses, paving the way for a lifetime of wellness. But that's not all. Enter vitamin A, the silent champion of vision, skin, and organ vitality. Nestled within the vibrant flesh of tomatoes lies beta-carotene, the precursor to vitamin A, offering around 20% of the daily recommended intake. As the body savors the sweet tang of tomatoes, it reaps the rewards of clear vision, smoother skin, and stronger organs, a testament to the power of nature to nourish and protect. And let's not forget about vitamin K, the unsung hero of blood clotting and bone strength. With approximately 17% of the daily recommended intake found in a medium-sized tomato, vitamin K emerges as a silent guardian of cardiovascular health and skeletal integrity. As tomatoes grace our plates, they become cornerstones for healthy lifestyles, supporting proper blood pressure, fluid balance, and muscle function. But wait, there's more. Potassium, the quiet powerhouse behind every heartbeat and nerve signal, with around 13% of the daily recommended intake in each tomato. Potassium takes center stage as the conductor of bodily harmony, regulating fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve impulses effortlessly. With tomatoes in hand, the body finds its rhythm, pulsing with vitality and strength. And let's not overlook fiber, the unsung champion of digestion and weight management. With approximately 2 grams per medium-sized tomato, fiber becomes the silent architect of gut health, promoting regular bowel movement, fullness, and a diverse microbiome. With tomatoes on the menu, the body finds balance, thriving in a world of culinary delight and nutritional abundance. And last but certainly not least, lycopene, the crimson jewel nestled within every tomato, offering a beacon of hope against the onslaught of free radicals. While not a vitamin, lycopene's antioxidant power holds the promise of a higher tomorrow, with studies hinting at its potential to ward off certain cancers and protect cells from harm. With tomatoes as our ally, we move forward into a future brimming with health and vitality fueled by nature. Tomatoes have a low glycemic index, typically ranging from 15 to 40 on the scale, making them an excellent choice for individuals looking to manage their blood sugar levels or following a low glycemic diet. The low GI of tomatoes is attributed to their high water content, fiber, and relatively low carbohydrate content. Including tomatoes in meals can help promote stable blood sugar levels and support overall health. Always consult your physician before making any changes to your diet. Our final segment takes us into the realm of growing tomatoes at home, a journey that deepens your connection with this remarkable fruit. Cultivating tomatoes at home adds a personal touch to your culinary experiences. There are 2 types of tomato plants, determinate and indeterminate varieties. Understanding tomato plant types is essential. Determinate varieties grow to a certain height and produce fruit all at once, making them suitable for small spaces. Indeterminate varieties continue to grow and produce fruit throughout the season, making them ideal for large gardens. Tomatoes thrive in warm temperatures. Planting them after the last frost date in your region ensures they have optimal conditions for growth. For healthy tomato plants, use well-drained soil enriched with organic matter. Tomatoes are sensitive to waterlogging, so proper drainage is key. Growing tomatoes from seeds demands patience. Consider purchasing seedlings from a reputable nursery. If you suffer from limited space, tomatoes can thrive in containers. Use a large container with drainage holes, well-draining potting mix, and monitor soil regularly. Regular pruning encourages robust growth, and tomatoes require adequate sunlight, ensuring they receive at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. While tomatoes are self-pollinating, planting more than one plant can enhance fruit production through cross-pollination. Bees and other pollinators play a crucial role in this process. Tomatoes also thrive in temperatures between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 30 degrees Celsius. They are sensitive to frost, so plant them in areas where temperatures rarely drop below freezing. Embarking on a journey of growing your own tomatoes not only provides a source of fresh, flavorful produce, but also instills a deeper appreciation for the intricacies of nature. Well, there you have it. I hope this video was able to answer some of your questions and provide some insight on tomatoes, from their ancient origins to your very own backyard. I hope this extended exploration has enriched your understanding and appreciation for this vibrant and nutritious fruit. If you enjoy the content, click the link above and explore more videos in this series. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for future videos, and share your tomato stories in the comments below. I will be following up this series with 3 fruits from my childhood growing up in Jamaica, so stay tuned for those videos. Until next time.